Good morning and welcome back to the homestead. So we're back on the summer kitchen project today, and we're just about there. We're working on the screens and some electrical. You'll notice down here we're getting some electrical going. We're working on figuring out our lighting plan, and yeah, so you'll notice what we're doing here is we're putting in a 1x1 cedar all the way around the hole. Then we're stapling our screen into the hole. And then we're putting another 1x1 over it to sandwich the screen. And we'll bring you around and show you what that looks like. So the other thing I wanted to point out, and I'll meet you over there at the door, was that we got our storm door on, or our screen door. So Sue stained the door the color red. And so we've got our storm door screened in above it. We got some electrical done, as we mentioned, and you can see over here what this looks like. So there's a 1x1 in here and a 1x1 out there with the screen sandwiched in the middle. And we went with the fiberglass screen for now because it's a little more appealing to look through. I am a little worried on these big spans how well the screen is going to hold up, but the screen is fairly inexpensive and we've made it fairly easy to change. But if it does become a problem, we'll put a post in the middle to take some of the movement out. And then over here you can see we don't have the second strip outside yet. So you'll see what we're doing is we're just pulling the screen tight. We're stapling it to this with some 5/16 staples. Then we're sandwiching the next piece of cedar. And then we're taking a razor knife and cutting the excess screen off carefully. So that's kind of where we're at. We may set you up somewhere, maybe out on the Apocalypse truck here that is turned into a work truck. We may set you up out there and let you watch us put one set of screen on, just so you can see what we're doing. And yeah, and we'll bring you back when we get doing some lights. We're kind of excited for the lighting, so hold on. We're gonna get you set up and let you watch.
So that's how we are putting the screens on the outside of the summer kitchen. And we're gonna go ahead and finish up that portion of the project, and we'll bring you back and show you the final product. So we're finishing up the screen. Hopefully that gave you some ideas on exactly what we're doing and how it's done. We appreciate you joining us today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, Sprite's helping out.